am 29 years old and I am a Fulbright Visiting Student Researcher at Memorial Sloan-Kettering Cancer Center in New York, and I'm also a PhD student at the Catalan Institute of Oncology in Barcelona, Spain. The focus of my research is high-grade serous ovarian cancer, which is the most aggressive subtype of ovarian cancers, and more specifically, during the last years, I've been focused on studying the molecular mechanisms that ovarian cancer cells use to survive, grow, and metastasize. Here, as a Fulbright scholar, I have two main objectives. The first one is to broaden my vision on the genomic evolution of ovarian cancer, especially in the earliest stages of this disease, and secondly, to broaden my knowledge in programming and also how to perform big computational analysis of huge amounts of data that are obtained through the last cutting-edge sequencing techniques. The main driving factors behind my career in cancer research are firstly my commitment and willingness to make a significant contribution to improve the quality of life and survival of cancer patients. And I would say that the second one is my scientific curiosity. One of the most challenging aspects of doing research is, after asking ourselves questions and crafting hypotheses, to step into unknown territories where no one has ever ventured before. But at the same time, this is one of the most rewarding parts of my work, because it is in the unknown, actually, where the potential for groundbreaking discoveries lies. Being awarded with the Fulbright has definitely helped me gain many skills that weren't part of my skill set before. Here, I've been given the opportunity to work alongside top experts in my field, and then I have won a broader vision of the evolution of ovarian cancer and also a more holistic perspective of this disease. During my PhD, I've mainly done experimental work, which is what we scientists call wet lab work. But here, I've stepped out of my comfort zone and I'm doing bioinformatics analysis, which is what we scientists call dry lab work. So thanks to Fulbright, this new knowledge has empowered me with a stronger hybrid profile, and I can combine now wet lab techniques with dry lab techniques. In my current role as a Fulbright Visiting Research Scholar at Memorial Sloan-Kettering Cancer Center, I am part of Dr. Sohrab Shah's laboratory, which is well known for its excellence in the study of cancer evolution. They stand out as top experts in understanding the genomic landscape of cancer cells and also how these cells interact with each other and also with other cell types within a tumor. So, as a wet lab scientist, my experimental insights have been really valuable for the group and have contributed to their research and also have complemented their computational strengths. So I've been able to establish a really nice collaboration with them. Regarding the people with whom I work, I'm very fortunate to be part of a multidisciplinary team that brings together excellent scientists from all over the world, and I'm really fortunate to be able to say that I belong to a group where everyone feels that belongs to the same team and that shares the same common goals. So in this context, mentorship from my lab mates and mentors and also from fellow Fulbrighters have been absolutely beneficial for my career development. Moreover, establishing connections with fellow Fulbrighters that are beyond my field of study have also been super enriching and has definitely contributed to my not only professional but also personal growth. Regarding management of work-life balance, I can honestly say that it's been a gradual process for me to find it, and I still find it challenging sometimes to prevent my work from invading my personal life. So to deal with that, because my commitment to my career goals and to my research are so important, I found out that one of the most effective strategies is to do activities that really fill my soul. So personally, I'm a big art lover, so I try to go to classical music concerts, art exhibitions. I read a lot, and on the other hand, I really enjoy running, so doing some physical activity has also been really beneficial for my mental health. And last but not least, and most importantly, I would say, surrounding myself with people who genuinely care about me, and also being in touch with my friends and family back home, but also building a strong group of friends here in New York has definitely been the most effective strategy. As a female researcher navigating the STEAM landscape, I'm aware that there is a persistent gender gap that impacts research dynamics in multiple senses. And one of them is well illustrated by the well-known scissor graph, where there's a higher representation of female students in biomedical degrees and also PhDs and postdocs. But as we go high in the academia positions, we see that there's a strikingly lower percentage of women in leading positions in comparison to their male counterparts. So this graph shows that there's an invisible ceiling that still remains to be shattered. So to my mind, recognizing that and building a strong community is essential for women to encourage and empower each other. So to commit myself to that goal, I've been part of different outreach events, and I've also mentored a group of high school students about the importance of women in STEAM careers, and also to empower young female students to pursue STEAM careers. So for all these reasons, being part of the Fulbright Women Affinity Group to me means to belong to a supportive collective movement where women can uplift and encourage each other to do great things. And I'm so excited about the amazing experiences that being part of this group is going to bring me.